Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at adding and subtracting fractions. So when we are adding and subtracting fractions, it is very important that the denominator needs to be same. So the bottom numbers are the denominators, they have to be same. So in the first one, 2/6 plus 3/6, it is very straightforward and simple. The answer is going to be equal to, just add the numerators, 2 plus 3, and the denominator is going to be equal to 6. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and the denominator remains 6. So 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. So if the denominator is same, you just add the numerators. Or if it is minus, then you just subtract the numerators. Now the second one, we can see the denominators are different. This is a 2 and this is a 4. Now, then what we have to do, we have to multiply one of them or both of them to get both the fractions to the same denominator. So we can keep this one over here as 1/4, but the first fraction, multiply it by 2. The numerator and the denominator multiplied by 2. So, half, the numerator multiplied by 2 and the denominator multiplied by 2 plus 1/4. Now 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and then plus 1/4. So it has become simple now. So half plus 1/4 has become 2/4 plus 1/4. Since the denominators are same, so what we do, we just add the numerators. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and the denominator is 4. So the answer to half plus 1/4 is 3/4. Now in this example over here, it's 4/5 minus 1/3, and we can see the denominators are different. This time we have to multiply both the fractions by a number to get the same denominator. Now here we have to look for something called lowest common denominator, the LCD. So the lowest number in which 5 and 3 will go is 15. So to get 15 over here, we have to multiply both of them by 3. So 4 over 5 multiplied by 3. And then 1/3, you'll have to multiply by 5 on the numerator and also the denominator to get the lowest common denominator 15 for this particular question. So now 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. Take away 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So the objective is to get the same denominator, which we have achieved. So we just carry out the process for the numerators. 12 take away 5. Now 12 take away 5 would be 7. So our answer is going to be equal to 7 over 15. Now in the next example, the question is, what is the result of 2/3 take away 5/8? Now if you take 8 and 3, the lowest common denominator would be 24, the lowest number in which both 8 and 3 will go. So what we're going to do over here now is 2/3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 minus 5/8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, because we want to get the same denominator of 24. So 2 times 8 is 16, and 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 3 is 24. So now the denominator is same. All we have to do is subtract the numerators. So 16 take away 15 is 1. So 1 over 24. And that is our answer over here. In the next one, we are adding 3/10 plus 2/5. The lowest common denominator of 10 and 5 is 10. 10 is the lowest number in which both will go. So the first fraction we keep it as it is, 3 over 10. But the second one we have to use a multiplier for the numerator and the denominator. So 5 times what will give us 10? 2. So the same multiplier for the numerator. So that becomes 3 over 10 plus 2 times 2 is 4 divided by 10. So since the denominator is same, all we have to do is to add the numerators. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 over 10 will be the answer for 3/10 plus 2/5. So I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.